chocolate and she's brave. She can be cheeky,
but she never misbehaves.
This is Gobo, he's a very bouncy goat. He loves to bite
and eats too much.
Pardon? There's a dinky little donkey named Dash. If you're in trouble,
Will you help me?
in a flash. This is Digger, he's a happy little pup.
Is he cute?
Get right.
Can he bark?
Not quite. And when you put them all together,
And they love to be together.
they'll be friends forever.
Down a big barn farm. You're it. Whoa.
You're it, Digger.
You're it.
Oh, you can't catch
Petal, Dash and Digger are having loads of fun this morning on Big Barn Farm. They're playing tag. Watch out, Dash.
catch me. I'm over here.
Whoa, you're it.
Wait a sec. One of the Farmyard bunch is missing.
Oh, is it me?
Digger, how can you be missing? You're right here.
Oh, yeah.
It's Gobo. He's missing.
Oh, I'm going to find him, and when I do, he's it.
Aha! There's Gobo.
Tasty, tasty, tasty. Gobo, you're it. Shh, you'll disturb them. Disturb who? The vegetables. They need their peace and quiet when they're trying to grow. Oh, sorry, Gobo. Sorry, vegetables. Now, you cabbages make sure you get lots of lovely sun. And the same goes for you lettuces over there.
Gobo seems to be talking to the vegetables. Has he gone a bit strange?
They like it, especially the cabbages.
Yes, whatever you say, Gobo. Next morning, Gobo gets up early.
Got to check on those vegetables before breakfast. Morning, my vegetable friends. Hope you all had a good night's sleep. Oh, no. Some of the vegetables have been taken. Oh.
Gobo shows the others the vegetable patch.
The vegetables were all here last night, but this morning some have gone. Oh.
Well, they must have gone somewhere.
Maybe they've gone for a walk.
Don't be silly. Vegetables can't walk. Someone must have taken them.
Yes, a vegetable thief. We need to find out who's taken those lovely vegetables.
The Farmyard bunch can't resist a good mystery, so they decide to track down the vegetable thief together. First, they go to ask Old Pop for advice.
Old Pop, Old Pop, Old Pop, Old Pop, Old Pop. It's Old Pop.
The first thing you should do is check out the vegetable patch. Whoever took the vegetables may have left something behind that tells you who they are.
Ooh, I know what that's called. It's called a clue.
The Farmyard bunch start to search for clues in the vegetable patch.
Careful, everyone. Don't step on any lovely vegetables.
Maybe whoever took the vegetables left a footprint.
That's a great idea, Dash. Let's look.
The gang check everywhere for a footprint, but they just can't seem to find one. Well, there were no clues at the vegetable patch. Looks like the Farmyard bunch will have to try somewhere else.
I've got an idea. Maybe someone else on the farm saw who took the vegetables.
Nice idea, Gobo.
Let's go and ask around.
Vegetables? Nah, not round here. We're too busy chatting and swimming to look out for vegetables.
Not that we'd noticed. Too busy ducking and diving.
You mean carrots, turnips, peas, mange tout, butternut squash, purple sprout and broccoli, that sort of thing?
Yes.
No, nothing like that round here.
Sorry, haven't seen a sausage. Or any vegetables either.
Moolah la! No, not a bean. Not even a French bean. Vegetables? No such luck. Only potato peelings here, I'm afraid.
This is all a bit weird, if you ask me. How come no one saw who took the vegetables?
Oh,
What is it, Gobo?
oh, more vegetables have gone.
The thief must have come back when we were talking to the other farm animals.
Whoever they are, they certainly love their vegetables.
Wait a second. That gives me an idea. Whoever took the vegetables came back a second time, so chances are they'll come back a third time too.
So all we have to do is keep watch on the vegetable patch.
And we'll catch the thief red-handed.
Or red-trotted.
All red-pawed.
Everyone goes to hide round the corner, where they can keep watch on the gate leading to the vegetable patch. Problem is, after a time, keeping watch can be a little, well...
Boring.
I've just remembered something I have to do in my stable. Back in a bit.
But Dash, what about the...
Oh, yes. I've just remembered too. My mum wanted to talk to me about, the other piglets.
And I really need to go to the toilet.
Digger, don't go. I'll be left here on my own.
Sorry, when you've got to go, you've got to go.
Gobo's a bit annoyed that the others have left him on his own. Oh no, his stomach's rumbling.
And I don't have any food. I'll just run off and get a quick snack.
Well, that's just great. Now no one's watching the vegetable patch.
That's better. Oh, pardon. I'll just go and check on those vegetables again. Ah! Someone's taken more vegetables.
I can't believe you left no one watching the vegetable patch, Gobo.
Well, you left before I did.
I thought the rest of you were going to stay.
But I had to go and see my mum, and...
Wait, shh, everyone. I can hear a noise coming from inside the vegetable patch.
The thief! They must have snuck back in while you lot were arguing.
Right. No one takes my vegetables and gets away with it. Go, go, Gobo.
Now that is one brave goat.
Aha!
Gobo, you've just butted the farmer's wife up the bottom.
Oops.
I can't believe he just did that.
Gobo's in some serious trouble.
But when the farmer's wife sees it's only Gobo, she can't really be cross.
Phew. That was a close one.
So it was the farmer's wife who was taking the vegetables all along.
I can smell something. Ah, it's vegetable soup.
That's why the farmer's wife was taking vegetables. She's making vegetable soup.
Mystery solved.
They'll be friends forever down on Big Pond Farm.
Gobo is still a little bit disappointed. He's spent all day looking at vegetables, but hasn't got to eat any.
Life is so unfair.
Wait, the farmer's wife is coming back.
Wow, wow, fresh vegetable peelings.
Yum!
But I don't like vegetable peelings.
She hasn't forgotten you, Digger.
Wow, thanks.
That's the vegetable mystery solved. Nothing about stealing. It's all about peelings. That's all for now. See you again soon down on Big Barn Farm.
This is Petal, she's a piglet and she's brave. She can be cheeky,
But she never misbehave.
This is Gobo, he's a very bouncy goat. He loves to play.
And eat all day.
Pardon? There's a dinky little donkey named Dash. If you're in trouble,
Will he help me?
in a flash. This is Digger, he's a happy little pup.
Is he cute?
Get right.
Can he bark?
Not quite. The ducks are splashing in and out the pond.
There is this trick.
Gossip, gossip all day long. Madame is French and lovely.
La-la.
And we all know who goes cock-a-doodle-doo. Mrs. Snuffles and her piglets come to play. And old Pop makes sure that everyone is safe. Who's the tallest of them all? The horse. And last, not least, they're friends.
The sheep.
Now you sing them all together.
And they love to be together.
They'll be friends forever down on Big Barn Farm.